In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily resize images with Canva. Whether you're working on a personal project or a professional design, knowing how to quickly and effectively resize images can make a big difference in the overall appearance of your work. Canva makes this task incredibly straightforward, so let's dive right in and learn just how simple it is to adjust your images to fit perfectly within your designs. First, you want to start by opening up Canva and navigating to the design where your image is located. Once you have your design open, the next step is to click on the image that you want to resize. You'll notice that when you click on the image, a border with small circles or handles will appear around it. These are your resizing handles, which will allow you to change the size of your image. With your image selected, it's time to resize. To do this, simply place your cursor over one of the corners or sides of the image's border. You'll notice your cursor will change to a double-headed arrow, indicating that resizing is active. If you want to maintain the image's original proportions, it's best practice to use the corner handles rather than the side handles. This ensures your image doesn't look stretched or squashed after resizing. Next, click and drag the handle inward to make your image smaller, or drag outward to enlarge it. As you do this, keep an eye on how the image flows within your design. Using a steady motion ensures a smooth resizing process, so take your time to adjust the image to just the right dimensions you need. Another great tip is using Canva's rulers and grid lines to aid in your resizing. If you don't see them, you can activate the rulers by clicking on the File menu and selecting View Settings to toggle the rulers and guides on. This feature is incredibly helpful for maintaining alignment and ensuring your image is perfectly placed within the design framework. Once you've achieved the desired size, take a step back and view your entire design. Double check that the resized image integrates well with other elements present. If everything looks good, you've successfully resized your image and it's ready to be shared or further edited as needed, and there you have it, a quick and easy way to resize images using Canva. This technique is not only simple but extremely efficient, saving you time while ensuring your projects look polished and professional. Whether you're resizing pictures for social media, presentations or print, having these skills will significantly enhance your design capabilities. Thank you for watching and happy designing!